inside of me. You better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy. To be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves of blood and gold. Always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force of party. And if you start shit, you be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Kain tayong tinapay. Itong baon na. Baon. Ay, anong palaman na to?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Bakit?
Ano ba? Peanut butter pala.
Saan mo?
Para may iba tayong palaman. Wala tayong pimiento. Lechon.
Palaman.
Tapos kumakain ng takip ng ano.
Bakit? Bakit? Kung di ba lalagay ba yun kung nakakain?
Takip nga yun eh.
Dito na kami sa Ibo City, sa Ibos. At kami nagbabike. Kawit ba to? Ay, Ibo City. Ah, sorry. Mali. Nandito na kami, magagalit sa akin yung ano, Kawit. Nandito na kami sa Ibo City sa Kawit. Kain muna kami ng tinapay. Tapos medyo maambon-ambon. Meron, pero konti lang. Yeah. Mga saglit lang no. Yeah. Wala, ang baba. Good morning. Ganda ng panahon ngayon. It's a Saturday morning. Medyo cloudy. Andito kami sa Ivo City, Kawit, Cavite. Saturday morning. Ganda ng panahon, walang araw. So, makakapag-bike tayo medyo matagal-tagal ngayon. Kasama ko ngayon misis ko. Ayan, nagbabike din siya. Aga nating nagising pero 7 pa rin tayo nakarating. Sarap mag-bike dito. So ikot lang kami ng siguro mga 10 kilometers.
We keep running faster and faster. I don't know where we're after, yeah. We keep up with disaster, disaster. I'm thinking that they're after me. We're running like faster and faster. We're running like faster and faster. We keep running faster and faster. I don't know what we're after, yeah. We keep up with disaster.
Ikot-ikot lang tayo dito. Solo na naman natin yung bike. Ayan, may isang nagbabike. May kasama ako masipag magbike. Ayan ang pinakamaganda kong asawa. Bata pa yan, 25 years old lang yan. Nahilig din siya magbike eh. Ang bike niya is Trek Marlin 5. Malano bang height mo? 4'10", 4'11". Parang nagbabadya yung ulan eh. Medyo maambon. Pero sana hindi. Pero makulimlim eh. Yan o, makulimlim. Ganda dito. Oh, tingnan nyo to. Yan. Diba? Ganda ah. Lamig na hangin. Ang lamig na hangin no? Magpa-practice daw siyang mag-no hands. Ikot tayo dyan. So, overtaken kita. Woo! Nakaka 7 kilometers na kami. Time check 7:47. Malakas yung kasama ko na to ah. Mga hindi napapagod ah. Pauwi na kami. Naka 10 kilometers na kami. Pusin na lang namin tong ikot, tapos uwi na. Anong gagawin natin pagkatapos? Magmamakdo tayo. 10 kilometers. Requirement yun bago makapag-makdo. Pag di tayo naka 10 kilometers, hindi tayo pwede mag-makdo. Yan, may araw na. May araw na po. Bo, tumatayo pa oh. Pero once na nabaklas naman, kasya naman. Sobra pa. Bakit? Lamok na hanggang Ibo Cities masama eh.